way. And by the way, I have all this stuff scripted for you guys. There's letters you'll download and use and all that for this stuff. But when you do that, the insurance adjusters sing a different tune because now they could be breaching their contract with their customer, right?
Right.
They can say no to you, but they can't exactly say no to their customer if what you're asking for is legit.
Right.
But you have to have the tools, you have to have the knowledge, you have to have the language and definitions and the strategies. This all works together for you to be able to be effective at supplementing and get your customer indemnified for the things that they should be indemnified for, and to make sure that you guys can put the right things on the roof and you get paid for the work that you do. Everybody gets taken care of correctly.
Right.
Okay. So in a nutshell, that's what I teach. So you go through and you learn the software and you get the technical knowledge of using Xactimate, which is way more than just typing in and putting together an estimate line by line. There's way more than that. And then the supplement process is learning what to add, learning how to ask for it, and then learning the back and forth, objection handling process with those adjusters. And here's what I can personally guarantee you. I've been teaching this stuff since 2014. There are over 1,000 contractors following my stuff. I advertise that the average supplement that you add will be about $2,500, but the real number is more like $4,000 or $4,500. And I don't advertise that because I want to underpromise and overdeliver. And I know that, right? But that's the truth. Like, if you go back and look at the reviews, people share, I had this many claims, I added this much, this was my average supplement. I've got guys who have average supplements between $5,000 and $7,000. That means across the board, company-wide, following the same system. But if you want to be super conservative and say, well, we do 100 claims per year, and let's say that we only get an extra $2,500 following Becca's system, do the math. That's another $250,000 in profit for your company.
Exactly. Just for a company.
It's stupid. And by the way, if you want to make it even easier to justify the investment, let's say on those same 100 jobs as a super small company, instead of $2,500, let's say that you only make $250 extra per claim, which, by the way, this has literally never happened. These are like embarrassing numbers, but just for argument's sake, that is still $25,000 in profit extra. That pays an administrator's salary damn near. That's a new truck.
Right. That can take care of a lot of just the expenses for the business.
Absolutely.
I mean, you would be. I really never thought about it until I ran this business. The amount of expenses we really have.
Exactly. Exactly. So, and actually, that's such a great note. I'm actually making a note, Andrea, right now that you said that, because that's a great message to help people understand. It's like, listen. Here are the fixed hard expenses for you to run your business, right? To have the lights on, to have your rent for the office space, to pay for gas and the internet and all that other stuff. How much is that? How can you guarantee that you can pay for those things? Supplements.
Exactly. Just supplementing will pay for the business expenses. Like $25,000 in 1 year will pay for internet, the computer if it needs maintenance. The
right.
If it needs maintenance. Salary, really.
Exactly. It goes a long way.
It makes sense.
Absolutely. And again, that number was based on the tiniest, weakest number I could give you. The real number, you could bank on it, Andrea, is $2,500 per that 100 claims. And that is $250,000 in profit. It's not crazy. That's real.
That's awesome. Yeah.
So, and it's just following the system. And by the way, some of your supplements, you're going to get 10 grand, 15 grand. Some of them are only going to be $1,000 every now and again, or $2,000. But the average across the board at the end of the year, if you tally it all up, it's going to be sitting anywhere between $2,500 and $4,500. You can bank on that.